how to change country on Zara app. Now first things first, before we dig deep into the process and changing the country on your Zara app store, first thing you want to have to double check is make sure that your Zara application is updated to its latest version. Then just head over to your Google Play Store and make sure that there is no update button visible here. So if this is going to be the first time downloading this app, you just have to choose on access upon running the application. Now changing the store is very easy. You just have to head over to your profile icon, which is going to be at the lower right portion of your screen. And in here, you don't have to do anything with register or logged in. What you want to do is head to the settings at the top right portion of your screen, and then just simply tap on your current location that has your language in it. So as you can see, this is where you can select or change the current store from your Zara app. Now, if the specific store you wanted to change is not on the list, just head over to other region, and by there you should be able to find it. And that's how you change country on a Zara app.